Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I will show you how to enable DPM, that is Trusted Platform Module 2.0 on your Dell computer, and this DPM 2.0 is very mandatory one if you like to upgrade your Windows 10 PC to Windows 11 OS. So anyway, before going to enable this DPM, first of all check it if it is enabled or not. So how to do it? So just open your Windows Run and then type this command dpm.msc and hit to enter. But unfortunately it shows compatible DPM cannot be found. Compatible trusted platform module cannot be found on this computer. Verify that this computer has a 1.2 DPM or later and it is turned on in the BIOS. So anyway, how to enable this DPM? And here I show the steps by using my Dell Optiplex 7050 tower type PC. So just go to your power icon. So now I try to restart my PC. Now the computer starts to shutting down. So once your computer shut down, now you can continuously press F2 key for a few seconds. And then I get to the BIOS screen. So now it shows some settings. But here you can press this plus icon from security section. And this section has some more options. But you can go to DPM 2.0 security. But in my PC this feature is disabled, so I try to enable it. And also check it if these remaining three options are enabled or not. So once you check it, and don't forget to save these changes. And this method works for all Dell following models like Latitude, Optiplex, Precision, Vostro and XPS models. At same time, if you have a Dell Alienware, just follow this simple step. And the Dell Inspiron users, you can try this method. So I hope this trick will work 100%. So if you have any doubts, just comment to me. So otherwise, just leave a one like. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box. And thanks for watching.